Sanam. I'm Fateh Singh from Hamburg in Germany. I'm a teacher of Kundalini Yoga and a healer and teacher of Satnam Rasayan. And today I would like to share with you a meditation Yogi Bhajan has taught for confidence and to trust in life and into the creation. It will be a meditation where we use our ego and we balance it by a mantra, by a sound current that creates confidence. To begin, we will chant Om Namo. That is when you tune in, it means to bow to life and to bow to the wisdom, which is always there. Put your palms together and inhale. Om Namo Gurudev. So the hand position will be with the thumbs locked. The thumbs represent your ego. The right thumb is your active ego. This is when you identify with what you do. And the left thumb is your perceptive, your receptive ego. This is where you block yourself and identify with what you can receive. You may not believe that you're worth it or you haven't suffered enough. So you put these together, you lock them, activate them, and connect them. And for the men is with the right up, and for the ladies is with the left up. You keep the elbows at the same height, and throughout the entire meditation you keep them locked, the other fingers are curled in, and you keep pulling. Then the sound you use is Gobinda. Gobinda is in the tradition the power of protection, as it was what is like a shepherd, someone who takes care. And this mantra, when you use it, will give you a sensation that also you are being taken care of. We will say it in a special sound current. It will be Gobinda, 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 Gobinda. And in this part, you stress the bin, so Gobinda. You pull your cheeks back, Gobinda, Gobinda. That you will repeat it for 6 times. And then on the last one, you put the focus on the last syllable, da. So it's Gobinda. That will be the last part. Let's try it together. Gobinda, 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 Gobinda. That is one breath. Then you inhale. Gobinda, 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 Gobinda. At the same time, you keep your mudra, and at the same time, you almost close your eyes. You look towards the tip of your nose with just a little bit of light coming in. Gobinda, 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 Gobinda. Gobinda, 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 Gobinda. And you want to chant this sound from your inside energy points, from your navel, from your heart. There's a synchronicity and activation inside, not only from the mouth. It's really for you to listen to it. Okay, then let's begin. Get set. Gobinda, 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 Gobinda. Govinda, 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 Govinda. 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 Govinda, 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 Govinda.
Govinda, 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 Govinda. Govinda, 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 Govinda. Govinda, 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 Govinda.
Long breath. Inhale long.
Govinda, 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 Govinda. 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 Govinda, 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 Govinda,
Inhale should be long, deep, and complete. That is the condition. Keep up, keep up. Now you are going to enjoy the fruit of it.
Govinda, 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 Govinda.
Put your energy.
Govinda. Govinda, 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 Govinda.
Okay, then inhale and stretch your arms up, all the way up. Deeply inhale and keep your breath in. And stretch and keep your breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Stretch strong, then exhale strong by the mouth. Inhale again and stretch even higher, like really give it a push. Really stretch it up, stretch your armpits and give tension to your body. Activate your body, synchronize your body, stretch and keep your breath in. Then inhale again by the mouth. Deeply exhale, 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 exhale. And then one last time, deep inhale. And really stretch it. Really stretch it. Stretch it more. Hold it more. Stretch it more. Distribute and circulate it. And exhale and relax. Bring your arms down. Put them on your knees. Relax your arms. Have an upright, steady posture. And give yourself a few seconds to observe the effects, to observe how you feel right now. Everything is taken care of. The food is growing. The sun is rising. It's a perfect plan. And that same God, that same creative force can take care of you and your routine, and it does all the time. There's breath there. Everything is there. Just if you don't go in between, there's no reason to worry, and find in you that sensation of confidence, of trust. Just allow it. It's already there, just give it a little bit more space. Confidence, trust, just merge in the moment. To close this class, we will sing 3 times Satnam. That means the true identity, who is the real you. Inhale. Satnam. 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 Thank you so much. If you made it all the way, you did a great favor to yourself. If you liked it, you can press the like button or subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to get a notification when we load up more videos. Thank you.